Hello friends, welcome back. Hope you would have gone through my first two videos with some kind of highlight on the opportunities available ahead for you. As I said earlier, there are large number of opportunities available, but only thing is all students should look up what they should gain themselves when they are learning the engineering, as well as where they should look at. In this episode, I would like to highlight few employment opportunity market areas in India. In India, the present scenario, the market scenario is there is a large growth potential available in aerospace industry, defense industry, nuclear industry, and oil and gas industry. These are all the four critical sectors where there are the booming opportunities are emerging in India. We should look for these industries and the associated supply chain or the service providers to these industries who will be requiring highly skilled engineers like all of you. Now, today we will focus on the aerospace industry in India. The aerospace industry in India is emerging as the biggest potential employment market for the skilled engineers. When I say skilled engineers, not the graduate engineers coming out of the institute, you should also try to upskill yourself with some more additional knowledge based and industry based skills so that you are readily employed in these type of high skill industries. Now, the aerospace industry. When I talk about the aerospace industry, there are two core sectors we have to look into. One is the manufacturing of aerospace equipments like aircrafts, helicopters, the satellites, satellite launch vehicles, and associated components, both required for the domestic market as well as for the global market. There are many players, the global players like Boeing, Rolls-Royce are already in India. They started manufacturing. They are having a good joint ventures with big multinational companies and the government sector companies. And also they are coming up like them. There are several other companies are also coming up to India to source their components, sub-assemblies, and all. This is a big booming industry in India because this is a clear shift of manufacturing bases from US and Europe. And also the domestic consumption, especially in the medical sector, as well as in the defense sector, as well as in the passenger traffic. There is a big boom in the requirement of aircrafts and associated equipment. So the aerospace industry, the manufacturing sector of the aerospace industry in specific, is a big booming industry in India for which can absorb several thousands of skilled mechanical engineers. Now, notwithstanding the aerospace manufacturing, the aerospace maintenance, which is predominantly occupied in the globally, it is settled in Australia. Predominantly Australia is the good service provider for the aircraft maintenance all over the world. Now that is getting shifted in a rapid pace to India. So the aircraft maintenance industry, it's a global industrial segment. All the global players are looking at India to bring their aircrafts for a routine maintenance. And this itself is a big industry, and again, it's not a simple maintenance, it's a very crafty maintenance which needs several thousands of mechanical engineers and aeronautical engineers to be absorbed in this industry. These are all the two segments of the aerospace industry. Apart from, all of you are aware that there is a big boom in ISRO in launching several satellites, and several indigenous satellite launch vehicles are getting developed. This aerospace industry will be the front liner for absorbing the skilled mechanical engineers. What are all the things we need to adapt ourselves to be employable in the aerospace industries? We will be talking to you in the coming episode. And also, we will be talking in detail about the opportunities available in the other three sectors: defense, nuclear, and oil and gas. We will come back to you very soon. Keep watching this.